Alright people, room's a little bit messy right now, but I'm in the process of breeding my rack. You might have seen in the other videos that the snakes are currently in their tubs in the tank. But yeah, here's a view of my rack, what it's gonna look like upside down after it's together. It's gonna hold 6 tubs. It's not a full enclosed rack. It's gonna have posts on all the sides. But yeah, I had it cut out. And I'll try to add the different things that I used, the different parts, in the next video when I'm actually breaking it down and making it. It's laid out all the things you can need, minus the remote. It's a roller, drill, wood screws, foil tape. This is to hook together my 2 levels. And this is everything you need for the heating, like my thermostat, crimpers, wire cutters, yeah, and all that. So look forward for the next videos and see what I go through to make it. We're out.